In this video, I am going to explain about how to compute the value of mode by using grouping table method. Here we have an example. In this example, calculate the value of mode for the following data. Marks and frequency values are given. Marks, that is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40 is given, that is nothing but x. And frequency values, that is 8, 12, 36, 35, 28, 18 and 9 is given. Frequency, that is nothing but f. For finding the value of mode, first we have to prepare grouping table and analysis table. So first we will find out the grouping table. Here we have a procedure. A grouping table has 6 columns. So in that first column we have to write the frequency value that is given in the problem, and in the second column the frequency values are grouped into 2, and in the third column we have to leave the first frequency and then we have to group the values into 2. In the fourth column we have to group the values into 3, and in the fifth column we have to leave the first frequency and then grouped into 3, and in the sixth column we have to leave first 2 frequencies value and then grouped into 3. So first we will find out the grouping table. Here I have written it as x value that is given in the problem 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40, and I have written 6 columns, that is named it as 1, 2, 3 and so on till 6. In the first column we have to write the frequency value. So the values are 8, 12, 36, 35, 28, 18 and 9. Next, in the second column the frequencies are grouped into 2. That means we have to add the frequency values. So first we have to add two values. So first we have to add 8 and 12. If you add, you will get 20. That I will write it here in the middle of these 2 values. Next we have to add next 2 value, that is 36 and 35. So if you add, you will get 71. That we have to write it in the middle of these 2. Okay. Next we have to add next 2 value, that is 28 and 18. So if you add, you will get 46. That we have to write it in the middle of these 2 values. So second column we have to add the frequency values into 2. Next move on to the third column. Third column we have to leave the first frequency and then we have to add the frequencies into 2. So first we have to leave the first frequency value, that is 8. So we have to leave the value 8 and then we have to add 2 values. So 12 plus 36. Okay. So if you add, you will get 48. That I will write it in the middle of these 2 value because we are adding these 2, right? We have to write the value in the middle of these 2. Next we have to add next 2 value, that is 35 and 28. So if you add, you will get 63. That we have to write it here. Next we have to add last 2 values, that is 18 and 9. So if you add, you will get 27. Okay. So first this is first 2 and this one we are leaving the value 8 and we are adding 12 and 36, 35 and 28, 18 and 9. Next move on to column 4. Column 4 we have to add the frequency values into 3. So first we have to add first 3 values, that is 8 plus 12 plus 36. So first 3 values. So if you add, you will get 56. That I will write it in the middle of the value, that is directly to 12. Next we have to add next 3 values, 35, 28 and 18. So if you add these 3, you will get 81. Next, move on to column 5. column 5 we have to leave the first frequency and then we have to add the remaining values into 3. So if I leave the first value, that is 8, then we have to add the next 3 values, that is 12 plus 36 plus 35. So first we are leaving 8 and then we have to add the remaining 3 values. So if you add 12 plus 36 plus 35, you will get 83. That we have to write it directly to 36 value because middle value, right? Next we have to add next 3, that is 28 plus 18 plus 9. So if you add, you will get 55. Okay, because we are adding these 3, so we have to write it directly to this 18 because that is the middle value. Next, move on to column 6. Leave the first 2 frequencies and then grouped into 3. So we have to leave the first 2 frequency value. So 8 and 12, we have to leave that and we have to add the remaining values. So if you leave 8 and 12, the next 3 values are 36, 35 and 28. We have to add 3 values. So 36 plus 35 plus 28. So you'll get 99. That you have to write it directly to this 35 value because that is the middle value. So 99. Next, we have only 2 values, right? 18 and 9. But we have to add 3 values. So you have to leave this. So this is the final grouping table. Next, we have to find the analysis table. So for that, I have written the values, that is from column 1 to 6 in the left hand side, and at the top we have to write the x values, that is 10, 15 till 40. So now move on to grouping table. First we have to mark the maximum frequencies. In the first column, the highest value is 36, right? So first we have to mark that value. Next, move on to column 2. Highest value is 71. Next, in the column 3, highest value is 63. The column 4, highest value is 81. And column 5, highest value is 83. And column 6, highest value is 99. So first we have to mark all the highest values in all the 6 columns. Now first consider first column. First column highest value is 36. So 36 corresponds to x value, that is 20. So 36 corresponds to x value, that is 20. So we have to mark column 1 20, that is 1 value. Okay, because in the column 1 highest frequency is 36, that corresponds to 20 in the x value. You have to mark 1 corresponding to 20 in column 1. Next, move on to column 2. Column 2 highest frequency is 71. This 71 corresponds to 2 values because we are adding 2 values, right? So that is 36 and 35. If you add these two, you will get 71. So these 2 values corresponds to 20 and 25 in the x values. So highest frequency in column 2 is 71. That corresponds to 20 and 25 in x value. So we have to mark column 2 20, 25 as 1. So corresponding to column 2, we have to mark 1 and 20 similarly for 1 value in 25. Next, move on to column 3. Column 3 highest frequency is 63. 63 corresponds to 25 and 30 in the x value. So we have to mark 1 and 1 and 25 and 30. That corresponds to column 3. So 25 and 30. Next, move on to column 4. Highest value is 81. This 81 corresponds to this 25, 30 and 35 because we are adding 3 values, right? Column 4, 5 and 6 we are adding 3 values, so we have 3 x values. So for 81 we have 25, 30 and 35. So for column 4, 25, 30 and 35. Next move on to column 5. 83 corresponds to 15, 20 and 25 because we are adding these 3 values 12, 36, 35 in the frequency. So that is corresponding x values are 15, 20 and 25. So for column 5, 15, 20, 25. Next move on to last column, that is column 6. Highest frequency is 99, that corresponds to 3 x values, that is 20, 25, 30 because we are leaving first 2 frequencies in the column 6, right? So obviously we have 20, 25 and 30. So in column 6, 20, 25, 30. So remaining we don't have value, so we have mark it as hyphen. So we have to add all the values. First x value 10, so that we don't have value. For 15 we have 1. For 20 we have 4 values. So for 25 we have 5. For 30 we have 3 values. For 35 that is 1 and 40 we don't have value. So now check the total. So which is the maximum value? That is 5 here. This 5 corresponds to x value 25, right? So this 25 is the modal value. So therefore mode value equal to 25. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification to new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you.